How to add custom location on Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the custom location on the Snapchat. So to add a custom location on the Snapchat, you will have to follow some steps. So guys, please make sure to watch the complete video to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So open the Snapchat app and take a photo or the video. So let me take any photo, and you can see that I have clicked the photo. After that, you will have to tap on the paperclip icon to add a link or the sticker icon to add a sticker. So you will have to tap right here on the paperclip, and after that you will have to search for the location. So guys, you can see that location is not available. So if the location is not available, you can suggest a new place by tapping on the gear icon. So let me go there. So you will have to tap right here on the gear icon. So from there you can see my location option, and there you can add your location, and once you have added the location you can resize and move the sticker to the desired location on your snap. Note that the Snapchat may review and approve the suggested location before it becomes available to all users. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.